I put this through my roller, try to make it as even as possible. I don't do like a real straight, rigid line. I just kind of let it fall and then grab it from down here and split it, just so that when I do split it, it's more of a natural split. So I'm gonna tie this right here and I'm gonna secure it as much as possible. And now I'm gonna start. I wanna smooth out all the pieces of hair that I use before pulling it back. I always start from back here. Again, smooth. I'm gonna bring this around to the front and then bring it to the back. Bloop. And there you go. And then get this front section and pull it up and back. There we go. Get a back section. Again, my sections aren't going to be too big. And I'm just going to continue feeding it into the roller. This section. If you're used to doing a French braid, then this should be easy for you. If not, it's going to take a little bit of practice. And there's times where I do the sections bigger just because I want a looser curl. Again, it just depends on what you are looking to do. You can do so many things with this. You can even, I've used the jumbo roller before, and I've taken really small sections and I fed it through for a tighter curl. I've used the smaller roller and I've done bigger sections for a bigger curl, and I've done it for small. I just use what you have, do what you can, and make it work, basically. There we go. And just continue to work your way down. Grab and go, grab and go. And I'm also going backwards smoothly, just wrapping it like a ringlet curl. I've also done a twist in it before for a different kind of look, for more of a wavy, beachy look. That works too. I've learned my lesson. I like how much smoother it is when I brush it one strand at a time. It keeps it from getting frizzy since it's laying down smoother. When I was first learning how to do it and I realized my hair was still kind of wet at night, it would end up frizzy because I wasn't doing it right. But then once I started brushing between each feed, then I noticed it came out smoother. I also, when I was still learning and I didn't want it frizzy, I was actually blow drying my hair smooth before I would wrap it. Look at this, it's already getting smoother. And that's from the conditioner and the constant smoothing it. So now I'm gonna just make it tight. I do a little wrap with this, and then I just do two, 1, 2, and then I go back under like so, and bloop. Now I'm not gonna just let it release. I'm gonna put this right here just to make it secure. I'm gonna start by taking this side out. Unwind this, kind of loosen it up a little bit. Gonna slide this down, try to release this. Voila, and it's out. And let me put this in the back. There we have it, some curls. I don't have hairspray in here or anything like that. I just have the leave-in conditioner. This is all because it dried into position that I had it in. What do you think? Voila. See you next time. Toodles.